Halor ke jingsa kem Samla di Sohtun ubari presiden ke Nehu su kinongilam ke Nehu su kilap longru ke jingki ke bajai-jai meta kesing ke arpnai trik Uyayong arja absen hakmat ke building ke Central Library Nehu ha ke bakilara haringkat kilamayong bat ke jingtho ban pendrem ya kan ke jingle ke trat pulit. Haba ai jingkren na kalian kinong ilam ka ni husu kilapan pau kajing songkia ha ka bagane kajing syakem we unong ilam ka ni husu kilapan sir ki Samla Pule ki badan hapo kane ke skul ba mar kilapan rem jor ya kane kajing le
Accountability! We demand accountability! We demand accountability! We reject oppression! 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 Of the university. Now that is not a question, but the question is, how was he being arrested? Police personnel, they came in civil dress without proper identification. They were not having any proper identification, so to say, to ensure that they are the police personnel that have been sent by the state government. And also, no notice whatsoever was being provided to the administration about such coming of the law and enforcement agency inside the campus. It is to be noted that FIR was filed on Friday. They waited Saturday. They waited Sunday. And suddenly, abruptly on Monday, they came without proper uniform, without proper identification, and they just dragged some of the students and they took them along with them. And now, some of the students that were being arrested were being released midway. This has also happened. They were being released midway. Why? Because law and enforcement agency did a mistake in identification of the students. Now tell me, my dear friends, are we really safe in this particular campus with such kind of interventions? No. Are we really safe? No. We understand that we need police personnel to maintain law and order. But there is some kind of procedure, there is some kind of decorum that they need to follow. Mere allegations does not make you guilty. We live in a country that follows the rule of law which says innocent until proven guilty. But how are we being treated? We are being treated as hardcore criminals. They drag us by our neck. They deploy 140 forces inside the campus on the pretext of preventing safety and security of the students. How do they dare to go and patrol towards the hostels of the students, towards female hostels, towards boys hostels, and clicking the pictures? Is it not an infringement of our privacy? Yes. Do they think that the students of this particular university are all hooligans? No. Then why are they treating us in this manner? We have been very cooperative since day one. Allegation has come. It is the duty of the law and enforcement agency to do their job. And we are cooperating with them. But to this extent that they will come and drag by our necks and they'll release the students midway because they have done a mistake in identifying the students. Should we really accept such kind of explanations? No. Do we really deserve this? No. We have never seen such kind of incidents ever taking place in our university. But this time, they have come. They have come for the President of the Union. They might come for you guys next time. Any one of you who are of the dais. it is upon us to choose. Do we really want to suffer? Do we really want to live in this kind of oppression? Yesterday, let me tell you, from 4 p.m., we came to know, initially, early in the morning, we had no idea that such police personnel have entered inside the campus. It was only later at around 3 p.m. we came to know from some of the students of Geography Department, Commerce Department, they said that some CRPF personnel have been deployed. What's the matter? When we went and talked with the Vice Chancellor in charge, we came to know that from the administration side, there was no such calling of any security personnel whatsoever, especially the CRPF, because there is no tension whatsoever prevailing in the university campus. There was no need of CRPF. Then who deployed them? Who sent them? How do they have the authority to send CRPF inside the campus? Just mere on the basis of the allegation. And now it is to be noted, just to protect one single particular teacher, why was 140 police forces being deployed? Are we all hooligans or what?
No.
Then why are they treating us like this? This is a clear violation towards the rights of the students, the rights of representation. You must be knowing, you must all know, it is an undisputed fact that the Students' Union have raised towards the system. Few months back, we have staged some protests towards the administration for their maladministration, for their ill behavior. But now what do we get in return? We get personal attacks. They come and arrest us with civil uniforms, without proper identification. Do we really deserve this?
No.
Do we really deserve this?
No.
Imagine you guys chose us. And we have raised our voice every now and then when we heard your grievances. Do we really deserve this?
No.
My friends, it is a high time for us to reflect upon the actions of the administration. It is a high time for us to raise our voices. We have been your voice since day one. And now we need your support in the novel cause, in this novel cause. We are not against the interrogation. We are not against the demand for investigation. We are ready to cooperate. Why? Because we know we are not guilty. We are ready to cooperate. We are not running away. But we don't deserve to be treated like hardcore criminals, that they'll come and drag us. This is not the way. We don't deserve this. None of you deserve this. We are gaining nothing from this. But the demonstration which we have set a few months back has set the university into momentous journey. I'm telling you, for all of you who have been staying here for quite a long time, you'll see that university is growing. For a very long period of time, the roads of the university were in a very bad condition. Hostels were never repaired. But now, it is taking momentum. We are seeing the difference. I hope every one of you are seeing.
Yes. Yes.
And after all this, what do we get? Such type of illegal arrest. FIR was filed on Friday. They waited Saturday, they waited Sunday, and Monday they came to arrest without proper identification, without proper police uniform. My friends, what has happened to one of our beloved friend of mine, the president of this union, can we happen to any one of you? Just imagine, they just came towards a student leader. They can come and drag any one of you at any point of time, and that too with